You search how to buy shares of Carmila SA. Carmila is a French shopping center owner listed on Euronext under the ticker CARM.PA. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To proceed, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CARM.PA to find the security. Select the result that matches Carmila SA to open the asset page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for reference. Confirm the company name, Euronext listing, and the ticker CARM to ensure it is the correct stock. To invest, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, your new position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to visit the platform.